Welcome everyone, Cast Mikey here. Orange, you glad to see me? Hashtag dad joke. Yeah, chair doesn't even like it. So today we are reviewing the Target $10 Vivitar True Wireless Earphones. Or as I like to call them, blue AirPods that you shouldn't buy. Now I shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but with 1.5 hours of playtime and I only able to charge these 3 times before the charging case dies, they don't look too impressive, but they are $10. I don't have my hopes up for speaker quality. I'm just saying there's a lot of money that got spent into batteries and design. I don't hold much hope. I should have got these in green because I could have said the Jolly Green Giant, but I don't have a joke for a blue one. These little guys. Oh wow, that works out perfect. You can see the size. That did not work out perfect. As you can tell by the size, they're about 1.5 times larger. What makes this really interesting, these have twice the battery. So you're looking at 40 milliamp batteries per earphone. And this by itself has more battery capacity than these two combined, which is pretty impressive on Apple's part. Hashtag not a sponsor. And the charging case can charge 3 times, where this charging case in a much smaller form factor can charge these guys 5 times. So in theory, you have up to 4.5 hours of playtime between using these and this dying. Well, maybe 6 hours if everything's all charged. Where here you have 25 hours of playtime. This isn't the AirPods worth the extra $150. It's just a comparison because AirPods are the go-to. This company imitated AirPods for a reason, so these are standard that everyone's benchmarking their products against. Enough of blah 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 boring talk. Let's get into it. There, rip them open. We'll start with the battery case. Oh, that was rough. You have a blue light. That is a hard snap. You see the little hooks up there. Back is the charging cable. I'm guessing this is the cord. And we get an instruction booklet. So let's open up the AirPods. AirPods. EarPods. Sorry. If I can get it open. Oh, those are huge. These just feel bulky. Like this won't fit in your pocket too well. I mean, it'll fit, but it's gonna be bulky. Like, look at that size. Here, let me see if I can hold it. Look at that. That's just crazy. So there's the difference there, and there's that difference. Try to level them up, like, these are really hard to hold, by the way. Look at that size difference. Yes, these are dirty, I know. But this speaker port seems to be smaller. If you think I'm wrong comparing these to AirPods, I mean, they copied AirPods, so I feel like it's a fair comparison, even though the price point is, like, these are 15 times more expensive if you were to buy them at retail. But anyway, let's put these in the case. This is really nice and magnetic and simple. There's effort to close it, and nope. Actually, it's gotten better now that I opened it a couple times. Let's put them in. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. AirPods. Put them in. Bam. Bam. Magnetic. These guys, you put them in. Push them in. Oh, they made a noise. Close them. Take them out. There is some friction there. That is not a good feeling. I mean, they're $10. So, I'm going to adjust my expectations accordingly, but that's just, I don't like the way that feels. They didn't make it easily visible if these are charging. Like, you definitely see a light. Like, why couldn't you put a little indicator on the top? Oh. Pairing. So they have to pair to each other, and then you compare them to your phone. Hang on while I mess this up. Sorry, that took a little bit more effort. These take effort. So this left guy is the main guy, and this guy is the secondary. And you can see the LED lights, which are obnoxiously bright in my opinion. I have studio lights, and I can clearly see them. I can't imagine what a normal setting would be. Now it's on the phone, and you click connect, and they're connected. Now let's listen to music. Oh, these do not fit good. If you ever want to complain about how AirPods don't fit in your ears, you need to buy these, because these are just huge. Like, they just took the design, enlarged it, and called it good enough. Like, these are small and light. You put these in here, it's like I have earrings on. I really want to know what I look like in these. Why did I get blue? Oh yeah, you definitely see them. Let's go compare the difference. I'm going to put these in the same way. Oh yeah. I see an AirPod. Oh, I see an earbud. AirPod? Or earpod? Earbud. Okay, let's stop jibber-jabbering and get to music. These get loud. That scares me. They're $10 headphones. You will not distinct these as something higher quality than they actually are. I heavily recommend only having the volume about 60% because any higher distortion is very prevalent. I mean, I had these at 50% and distortion was there in the trebles. There's almost no bass to these. Bass wasn't there. When I say it wasn't there, I mean these are little speakers and I can feel the bass in my ears. You'd hear the bass, but you would not even feel it, or your brain wouldn't even try to imitate the feeling of it because it clearly wasn't there. The mid-ranges were decent. The voice was distorted a little bit. I listened to a podcast and music in general. Vocals were decent. If you're buying these just for podcasts, I'd recommend. So the lower the volume, the treble sounds best, and as you turn up the volume, the high end of the audio range, distortion comes down. It gets down to the point when you max these out, even the bass sounds distorted. I do not recommend these. I reviewed these SQR headphones for $10. These sounded like junk the very first time I played them, and then I tried them the next day to follow up for my video, and they sounded great for $10. They sounded really good. I'd go to Menards and get these over the ears. I believe you get more battery life. I can't remember off the top of my head. You can use it as a phone call. It has an audio jack in it. I mean, they're still Bluetooth speakers. They're cheap, but you get a lot better value with these SQR headphones. I really can't recommend these for $10. I know it's hard on them in the beginning, but even putting the price in perspective, buy these for $10 if you want Bluetooth headphones. Or use the ones that come with your phone. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Chaos Mikey. Leave a comment below if you bought these and like these, or if you bought them and your experiences with them, or if you have a $10 or $15 headphone you'd like to recommend to others. Please like and subscribe. You have more great content coming up, and have a good day.